Once you have imported your class, so when you see that your class that you've created is here, you're going to want to monitor their progress under the games toggle here. So we are using Rapid Router. And here you can see the levels of the games. So when you're looking at your student progress, it's best to look at it at one level of a time. So when I assigned grades, I would give an assignment grade for getting started, and then a new grade for shortest route, etc. And the way that I monitored their progress and assigned grades was associated with the scoreboard. So I'll go to scoreboard, and then I can filter by my classes. So I'm just going to go to my sample class 2, and there's no progress in here, but I can look at any level that I want. If I select all, it's going to give me a whole bunch of data. That's not going to be useful right now, but I'm going to go ahead and click Getting Started and click Apply. And here you can see now there is a lovely little data table here that tells me that last name, student last name, has 0 points and has not completed anything. If that student had completed level 1 completely and earned the full 20 points available, there would be a star here, and there would be a 20-point value here. If they had completed level 1 and 2, they would have 2 stars and have a 40-point value here. However, if they had started level 1 but maybe didn't create an ideal program, they may have gotten 19 points or 15 points instead of 20 points. So there would be a number, 0 to 19 here, and then a tally of how many points they'd earned from each one of the levels associated with this particular section. So this was the Getting Started section. One of the things about this is that it'll only show you a certain number of students at a time. There will be sometimes a little toggle over here where you can look to the right to see your the rest of your students there. You can decide however you want to assign a grade. You can associate it with total points or a minimum number of levels completed with stars, or whatever you want to do to assign a grade to those students. But again, you go to scoreboard, you can filter your classes one at a time, and then you can choose whichever level you want to look at, or you can look at their entire set of progress. So hopefully that helps.